You what arrived in my mail today, and it was really. Hi guys, this is a quick unboxing video, not gonna be a review or anything. This is just to show you what arrived in my mail today, and it was really fast. They sent it via express. I think it took a week. I really would have to check with my husband because he ordered it for me. It's the new Ubermat for nail art from ÜberChic. So I'm totally excited that I got one because they are out of stock now and only supposed to be restocked on the 28th of August from what I read on the website. So I'm gonna just quickly unbox this together with you guys and show you the mat and show you some measurements for all the Europeans that have usually troubles with the inch measurements on the American websites. And I will link the description video from ÜberChic in the box below. So this is quite a small box. I couldn't believe that they fit this in the order date on the 25th of July. Unbelievable. Today is the 3rd of August. That's fast. That's really fast. You can see it's in here. It feels very soft, squishy. I put that away. Very squishy, very soft. I'm gonna get the package out of the way. And here it is. I'm so excited. I got one. Okay. I have to say it's a little smaller than I thought. I'm gonna zoom out a little here. And focus. And I'm gonna take that away so you can see it better. Yeah, I have thought it would be a little bigger, but it is still big enough. I mean, what else do you want? Yeah, so this is what I usually use. It's like the size of one of those dinner plates, table sets, and that's really big enough. I'm gonna get it out of the paper here. And here we go. It's a little fiddly here. Okay, here we are. And it's really nice. It feels, cannot describe it. It's very smooth. Feels nice, and it's, as you can see, I mean, amazingly flexible. And you just have all things that you need for your nail art. You have here some space where you can put your demo nail polish. Whenever you have a haul, you could put your nail polishes here. You can put them on the different fingers here. This is where you make your decals. The mat is acetone resistant. I will try that in my upcoming tutorials, so you will see that mat quite often in the future when you watch my videos. And as promised, I'm gonna give you some European measurements on that one. It is 40.5 centimeters wide, 40.5 centimeters. So here you go, that's the end of it, 40.5, and it is 30.5 centimeters in length. That's it. Again, I will link the video from ÜberChic in the description box below. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try that out. And that's it. Have a great one. Ta-ta. Till next time.